Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today in this session, we are going to see the fourth phylum, that is a Platyhelminthes from the animal kingdom. So, right. First of all, try to understand the Platyhelminthes. What is Platyhelminthes? Platyhelminthes means flatworms. Flat means dorso-ventrally flattened body is there. Helminthes means worm, so that is why they are called what? Platyhelminthes. Let us try to understand the general characters of the flatworms. Grades of organization. Organ and organ system level of organization we can observe. Organ and organ systems are there in their body, and bilateral symmetry we can observe. Triploblastic animals. These animals are the triploblastic animals, and there is no body cavity, so that is why they are the acoelomate animals. Habitat, mainly aquatic endoparasites. Endoparasites means they live inside the body of the animals. Some are free living animals. Some they live in the water freely. Some they live inside other organisms, so they show endoparasitism. Okay, example, tapeworm and liver fluke, these are the endoparasites, and free living animal is the planaria. And a digestive system, incomplete digestive system is there. Only single opening acts like a mouth and anus. Look at this diagram here. Food and waste, food enters inside and waste comes outside through the same opening, so that is why single opening acts like a mouth and anus. So such type of digestive system is called what? Incomplete digestive system. And come to the respiratory and circulatory systems. Respiratory system and circulatory system, both systems are absent. Reproduction, here we can observe asexual mode of reproduction and as well as sexual mode of reproduction. In the asexual mode of reproduction, fragmentation process is there. So look at this diagram. This is a planaria diagram. So if an organism is broken into pieces, each piece grows like a new individual complete organism. Such type of process is called what? Asexual process is fragmentation. So sexual mode of reproduction also we can observe. Male and female organisms fuse with each other and they can reproduce. So here one single individual consists of ovaries and testes. Such type of animals are called what? Hermaphrodites. So these animals are hermaphrodites, means ovaries and testes. Male and female reproductive organs are present in the same animal's body. Internal fertilization ratio. Fertilization occurs, male and female gametes fusion takes place inside the body, and the development is indirect. Already you know development is indirect means what? Larval stages are present, right? So in these development, in these animals development, we can observe the many larval stages. Some unique features, let us try to understand. Unsegmented dorso-ventrally flattened body. Unsegmented means body is not segmented, body is not divided into segments. So when dorsal and ventrally flattened body, that is why they are called Platyhelminthes, right? Excretion occurs by the flame cells. These flame cells are also called protonephridia. Look at this diagram. So these are the flame cells. So these cells, they look like flame, that is why they called flame cells. Flame cells, they help in the excretion process. Okay, this is one unique feature. And hooks, suckers are present in the parasitic forms. In the parasitic animals, hooks and suckers like structures are there. Look at this diagram. You can observe the hook and as well as sucker diagram, right? So some absorb nutrients from the host through their body surface. Parasites, they absorb the nutrients from the host's body, and these parasites, they absorb these nutrients through the body surface. From their body surface, they can absorb the nutrients. Come to the examples. Planaria, free living organism. Fasciola, parasitic form. Taenia solium also parasitic form. Okay, so this is about the Platyhelminthes phylum. Thank you. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.